This quick video is going to show you how to access your ePortfolio from any device, from a home computer maybe, so that you can add to your ePortfolio from home. So when you're at home and you go to google.com, you're simply going to need to sign in with your Northwest email. So for you guys, this is going to be firstname.lastname@student.nisdtx.org. Okay, once you type in your email, you've probably all seen this screen before. This is where you're just going to put your firstname.lastname and then your password that you use to log into your Chromebook. Okay, so now you can see I'm logged into my Google account, so you will be logged into your Google account from your home computer. There are several ways that you can get to your Google site. You can click on the Apps button here, and then you can choose the Sites option. So your ePortfolio is done within Google Sites and should show up here. So if you click on Sites, it's going to take me to Google Sites. Now you used the new Google site, so this is an important step to click on New Google Sites, and then you'll see your ePortfolio show up. I have a bunch of different sites, but my ePortfolio is actually right here. So I would click it, and this is where you can add to your home page, or you can add a reflection to some of the work that you added. Even if your parents have pictures of maybe you playing a sport or doing something that you've learned outside of school, you can add that as well. Okay, so this is a quick reminder. On your home page, you're probably going to have a picture, maybe just a little bit about what's your favorite part of school, what are your strengths, your favorite subjects. So this is just a little about you. We're not including home address, phone numbers, or anything like that. And then you should have a tab for your grade. So if I'm in 4th grade, this is just an example of what it could look like. But here is where you can find some of your reflection question stems. So I've got my work, and then maybe you want to talk about what was the assignment? What are you most proud of? What's something that you could work on if you did it again? Notice that you can change the size of the text. So normal text is this small, like right here. But if I wanted to make it a little bit bigger, I can change it here. So you might choose to do that, and then you can see I also have a color emphasis here. You can do that just to make your work stand out a little bit. Okay, we're going to look at one easy way to get into the sites. So one way is logging into Google and then clicking on the Apps button and then Sites. Another way is to simply type in sites.google.com/new. Okay, so that's sites.google.com/new. And now this would probably ask me to log into my Google account at this point, and then I would see my ePortfolio. So you can get into it several ways, but know that you can access this anywhere. You can show it to your parents. You can add work outside of class. Yeah, so have fun adding to your ePortfolio.